In this question, you have to identify the wrong statement with reference to gene I that controls ABO blood groups. Option A, when IA and IB are present together, they express the same type of sugar. Now, this is false. When the alleles IA and IB are present together, they express different types of sugars. IA adds N-acetyl galactosamine to the surface of RBCs, while IB adds galactose. Therefore, they result in the AB blood group where both type of sugars are expressed simultaneously on the surface of RBC, that is co-dominant expression. Hence, this is the correct option. Option B, allele small I does not produce any sugar. Now this is true. The allele small I does not produce any functional enzyme, so no sugar is added to the RBC's surface. Hence, this is incorrect option. Option C, the gene capital I has three alleles. This is also true. The ABO blood group system is controlled by capital I gene, which has three alleles IA, IB, and IO or small I. Hence, this is incorrect option. Option D, a person will have only two of the three alleles. This is also true. An individual inherits one allele from each parent. So each person will have only two of the three possible alleles. Hence, this is incorrect option.